A very good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about the basic logical gates using the PLC ladder diagram. For that, we are using the software called as an Codasys v2.3. So you have to click on this Codasys link. We are going to land up to this particular page where you can see that file is there, edit is there, projector. So on this icons you have to first click on the file, then close the previous programs. If they are already open, that they will close. Okay, this is how the page looks now. Okay, once you have closed that, you have to go to file, then click on new. A new file will open. Okay, once to get a new file, we have to go for the configuration. So here we have to select the configuration as AC500 PM554 V1.3 as per the Codasys configuration for this particular PLC trainer kit. Okay, after that we have to click on the OK button. Once we click on the OK button, we are going to land to a new POU, that is a program organization unit. What kind of program you are doing? That is nothing but the type of an POU will be program, function block or in function. So in that we are selecting a program. So as you have studied in the theory class, we have the different types of languages in POU, that is a instruction list, ladder diagram, functional block diagram, sequential functional chart, structural text, continuous flow chart. These are the different programming language that we have already studied. So we know that ladder diagram is the simplest and the easiest way to understand the PLC programming. So you are going to select as an LD over here, then click on the OK. Once you click on the OK button, you are going to land up to this particular page. Here you can see the line or left and the right line. So this is called as a rung. As we say instructions in the other programming language, in PLC we don't use the instruction, we call it as an 1 rung, 2 rung, 3 rung. So in that we have one side positive rail and the other side as a negative rail. Okay, this is a positive and the negative rail. So this is the line where you have to insert your inputs and the outputs. To build up an AND gate, so what is that we require? We require the 2 inputs and the 1 output. So how is that you are going to build your input? You are going to select this particular thing, contacts. From this you have to click on this rung. Okay, then click on this contact. This will be placed over here. So for that you have to give some naming as per your wish. It is I am giving as A. Okay, as we know we require 2 inputs, so click on the before selecting the other input, we have to set this. This is the class as variable. Okay, the name which I have given for my input is A. It is a boolean type. Obviously it is a 0 and then 1 type. So if you click on this, you are going to see these many types of data are there. So now I require the boolean type which I have selected as bool. Okay, this is okay. Then click on the OK button. Okay, this is the process you have to do every time when you select your input and then output, because to select your different data types. Next, click we require the other output, so input, so we need the another input, that is a B. So I am going to give the naming as B. Again, once you click on this, your same page will come. Declare the variables. Variable name of the input is B, bool type it is a, then click on the OK button. Okay, these are the 2 inputs we have taken. Now we need the output for this. So this is the output symbol, that is the output coil we can say here, and this is your out, O-U-T, output. You can, whatever name you want you can give as per your understanding. Okay, so click on enter, then you are going to declare the variable. You have to declare the variable for each input and then output. See, again it is variable output, and then the output obviously will be in the bool form as we are giving the input in the bool form only. Click on the OK button. Okay, now this is the build of your AND gate. One thing always you remember that AND gate is always performed in a series, whereas the OR gate is always performed in the parallel way. These are in series. The 2 inputs if you see here, those are in series. Okay, what is your conditions? When any of the condition is high, okay, then your output is low. Okay, so to see this you have to double click over here. Okay, now this is what we have written. Now we have to build up this project to check the errors in this program. So for this, checking the error and the warning, go to project and build. For nothing but we are doing the compiling of the program here. So if you see here, 0 errors and the 0 warnings are there. So the code size is here. The size of an used retained data is this much. Everything is been displayed over here. Once you are going to get 0 error and the 0 warning, you have to go for the online tab. So in the online, you have to select a simulation mode or an communication parameter mode. Simulation mode is selected whenever you are executing the things here itself in the simulation mode. Communication parameters is been selected whenever we are going to do the interfacing with the PLC trainer kit. Now I am in the simulation mode, so I am going to take as a simulation mode. Okay, this is what how. Next, you have to log in. Okay, once you log in, your program starts in a run mode. This is how, see, your line becomes blue here. If you have seen, all the conditions are 0. Okay, so to check the other condition, you can go double click over here and press F7 and the output is low. Again one more time, if you stick here, the output is high. This is the condition for your AND gate. As per the truth table of your AND gate, you can check the condition. So here A is false, B is false, output is false. Now if any of the input is made high, that is A is made high, how is that? Double click on this and press F7, then go to A is high, B is low, and then output is low. Now I am going to change the condition as A is low, B is high. So the output is also low. Now both the conditions are high. The output is high. This is how the execution of an AND gate is done using the ladder diagram without any instruction. We are using a ladder here. So this is the simplest form of executing the programs. Thank you.